Now, you know I'm not racist when it comes to stock picking. I don't care where the company I invest in comes from. I'm going to have 15 to 20 stocks in my portfolio, reviewed every year. If any falls more than 25% from the highs they've been since I bought them, they're fired. They're sacked. Treat it the same way when I'm hiring employees. I don't care where in the world they come from, what nationality they are. They have to be able to perform and have a track record of performance. And then in the case of stocks, that means things like valuation, growth, income, consistency. I want a good solid Sortino, Croquis, which is a measure of cash flow, and market alpha, ability to outperform the market, as I said. I want the volatility to be low relative to a high average consistent return. Anyway, put all those things to one side because I see companies as cash-making machines. What about the FTSE 100? Let's go to the bigger picture of an index as a whole. Now, what's interesting here is, I've gone back 20 odd years, okay? Where we are at the moment now on this indicator, which is a measure of momentum, it is a measure of the extent to which the market has, the stock price has been, or in this case, the index price has been declining or underperforming, let's put it that way, relative to where it was previously. And you can see this level is the kind of low level we've not hit for, well, it's about every 7 to 10 years we're at that level. Now, given that it's only just risen a tiny bit, that does not mean we are about to go straight up, okay? But what I would say is that whilst you could still get a fall back, because it's happened before, you get a little bit of a move up and then the second leg drops before you rise up, okay? I would say if somebody put a gun to my head and said, what do you think is going to happen in 2021? I would say that those levels we saw in 2020, 2019, 2018, and 2017, which is, in other words, about 7,500 on the FTSE, is where I would be happy putting a marker. I see that as more likely than going to 5,000. Now, like I said, there is a small probability, maybe a 30% probability, maybe a 25% probability of it going down there, because historically the second leg sort of has dropped before it's gone up, has gone up, dropped, and then before it's gone up. And again, that could be the case now. I don't care about that. That's the short term. What I'm saying is in 2021, I see us going back to levels that we last see. Now, will it go higher? Well, I'll talk about that when the time comes to talk about that.